Do you know you can create your short video from your already posted video? A video that you've already posted on your YouTube channel, you can edit it and create a short from it, and you're not going to get copyrighted. Maybe you don't have time to create another short video, and you want to post short. Short is a way of triggering the curiosity of someone. Let's say short is the tasting. If you want someone to watch your long form video and you want to create a short about the long form video, you don't have to stress yourself by sitting and making another video and making another short. You can just create it from your long form video, from the video that you've already posted on your YouTube channel, and you're not going to get copyrighted. I'm going to show you how you can create a short from your already posted video, and it's very easy. You don't need any editing app, you don't need anything. All you need is your YouTube channel video, the video that is already posted on your YouTube channel. That's all you need to create your short. Without further ado, let's dive right in. I'm going to start my screen record now so that you can see. We don't just teach here. I'm going to show you the practical aspects. I'm going to hold your hand and teach you till you understand it. And if after you've watched this video and you still did not get it, please don't hesitate to leave a comment for me in the comment section, and I'm going to reply you and tell you how you can do it again. But I'm sure you're going to get it right if you follow every single thing I do on this video. I'm going to take you up to a minute and you're going to get it right. So without wasting your time, let me show you with my screen record. Once you get to your channel like this, you look for the video, you go to your videos on your channel. Once you get to your videos, you look for the video that you want to edit, that you want to make a short from. So I want to make it on how I had a thumbnail. I want to make a short from this long form video. So this is a particular video that I want to make a short from. So there is like, share, promote, and remix. This remix is what you are going to be clicking on. So you click on this remix, then you click on edit into a short. Please note that you can only edit into a short on your whole video. You can only make a short from your long form video. You can't do this on someone else's video. It has to be only your own video. This option is only available to you. Can you see what they wrote there? So you're going to click on edit into a short here now. Once you click on it, like if you want it to be 15 seconds long, you can make it 15 seconds, and you can also make it 60 seconds depending on the minutes or the duration you want your shot to be. So I want to make this 60 seconds. I'm going to click on this 60 seconds right here so that it will be 60 seconds. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be dragging this arrow to 60 seconds. Can you see the 60 seconds is now complete? Then I'm going to click on done now. Once I see that this is the particular place that I want, or if I see that I want this place is not okay, you can move the arrow, you can move this as you like to the position that you want your shot to start from and your shot to end from. Let's say you want your shot to end at this particular place. What you're going to do is move this thing. If you don't want it to be up to 60 seconds, you can move it. So you can move it to any seconds of your choice, any part. You can move it to the first 1 minute of your video. You can move it to the 2 minutes of your video if you want it to start from 2 minutes. If you want it to start from 3 minutes, you can move it also. So do whatever you like with this arrow. Put it at wherever you like. So the next thing you're going to do is you'll click on next. Once you're done with this page, once you're sure you've replayed the video and you've seen that that's the part that you want it to show on your short video. So this is where you add text. Once you click on done, it's going to bring you here. So you add text. Hey, if you want to add text, let's say I want to add how to change thumbnail. So this is the title I want to add because this is the title of the short I'm making. So you can click on this A sign here to change the format. Then you can click on any of this color, any color that you like, and click on this A if you want anything to be done. So I just want this light one. I prefer this one. So I'm going to click on done. Once you click on done, you can bring it to any part you want to put it. So let's say I want to put it here. You can zoom it in or zoom it out to make it bold. So whatever you want, you can do it here. So let me just straighten it. A little bit bent. Okay, it's okay like this. Yes, it's perfect like this. Okay, fine, it's perfect like this. So I want to add another text. Full video on channel. Can you see, guys? So this is it. I'm going to click on done like this. So I'm going to move this here. If I don't want it to be this bold, you can move it in or you can bring it out depending on how bold you want it. So this is perfect for me. So this is perfect. If you want to change the filter, you click on these 3 dots. You can choose any filter that you want. Can you see? You can choose anyone that you want. So I'm just going to go with this soft. I think this soft is better. No, pop, no. Okay, let's go with this dreamy. This dreamy is okay. Then you mark it. So that's basically what this is for. Let's say I want to make a voiceover on top of this video. You click on this and you make a voiceover. You record your own voice. But I'm not going to be doing that here. Let's say you want to put a sticker. You see, you can choose anyone that you want if you want. So it's perfect like this. So next, you click on next. Then you add your details. This part you put your title, how to add thumbnail to YouTube video. You click on it, you type full video on channel. So it's perfect like this. So the next thing you're going to be doing is you're going to check the visibility. If it's public, it's fine. The location, you don't have to do anything there. No, it's not made for kids. It's okay. So this related video, that's the most important part. This is where you link your video together. So I'm going to click on this related video, and I'm going to go and choose that video that I'm editing the shot from, so that anybody that sees that video, we know the shot, where the shot is coming from. So you look for the video over here. This is the video right here. How to add a thumbnail. Can you see how I add thumbnail to my YouTube video? How to add thumbnail to your YouTube video. You see that it's the same. So you can choose to use another title for your shorts, anything you like. So allow video and audio remixing. I'm going to leave it. Add paid promotion. Nobody paid me for this video, so I'm going to be putting no. Add altered content. No, there's nothing altered about this content, so I'm going to choose no. So everything is perfect like this. So I'm going to click on upload shorts, and we are done. Make sure this related video, make sure you link the video that you're making the short from, so that anybody that goes into your video, we know that click on your shorts, we know that this is the video, this is the full video. So this is exactly how you make your shorts from your long form video easily, without stressing and sitting down to make another video. So you click on upload. That's all. So you wait for your video to finish uploading. That's how you can create your shorts from your already posted long form video. And if you're someone that did not see that remix button on your long form video, that you did not see how to remix it, and it's not showing at all on your long form video, there's only one reason that you're not seeing it. And that's because when you're uploading that long video, you did not allow sampling. Because you did not allow sampling, you did not allow people to remix your video. That means you yourself, so you won't be able to remix that video. So when uploading your video, you have to turn on that sampling. You have to allow that sampling, because if you don't allow it, even you yourself, you will not be able to create a shot from it. Let's say after you allow sampling, and you made your shots from it, after a while you just go back there and turn it off. You see a copyright message from YouTube saying that the person did not allow sampling again. So YouTube might take that video down or tell you to take it down. So you just have to leave it on allow sampling. Even if you allow sampling, nobody is going to be able to create shots from your long form video. That feature is for only you, because you made that video. Other feature can be available to the person, but creating a shot from your long form video is only for you. Don't be scared of allowing that sampling or allowing that remix. Don't be scared. Nobody's going to be able to steal your long form video and create shots from it. So please, if you watch my video to this extent, that means you're interested in this kind of content that I post on my video. Please click on the subscription button and hit that like button too. Thank you for always coming back to my video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.